So I thought I'd do one more video and try to go a little slower this time. Now we're almost done digging out, except for the plow did go by one time, but you can see there's a lot of snow yet, so they're going to come through again. So I'm hesitating on removing this wall here, which is as high as a snow shovel, because then I'm just going to have to dig it out again anyway. So maybe I should leave it up. Less snow will come in. So I'm just going to do a slow tour. We have about 38 to 40 inches. It is packed on the bottom, so it would have been even more. You can see how much is on the roof. So it goes to show you need a solid structure. And you can see the van there. It's hidden in there. The truck we dug out. I do need to go down to Zehr State today and do those sidewalks and other stuff. And here's Lucas in our path. Here comes Amy and the dogs. We can't see them yet, of course. They're in the trench. So you can see them coming along here. I don't know where Molly is. Oh, Ava thinks she's going to get out. Yeah, we can see the, I don't think I can get by him here, but maybe. Oh, here comes Molly. We should throw you in the drift, huh, Ava? And here's the wood shop. Okay, time to get shoveling.